I will show how to buy shares of Accsys Technologies PLC, a company that develops sustainable wood modification and high-performance timber products. It trades on Euronext under the ticker AXS.NV, and this is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to proceed. Use the platform search and enter the ticker AXS.NV to find Accsys Technologies PLC. Make sure you select the Euronext listing to locate the correct share. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the price chart, verifying that the exchange is Euronext and the ticker shows AXS.NV. Confirm the listing details before continuing. To place an order, choose Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. The link to the platform is available in the description below for convenience.